Are you tired of the heavy Facebook Messenger app slowing down your phone? Messenger Lite is a lightweight alternative that uses less data and storage. Here's how to install it on your Android device step by step. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. In the search bar, type Messenger Lite and look for the official app by Meta. It's usually labeled Messenger Lite Text, Chat, and Video Call. Tap Install and wait a few moments. The app is smaller than the regular Messenger, so it installs quickly, even on older devices. Once installed, open Messenger Lite and log in with your Facebook credentials. Unlike the full app, Messenger Lite focuses on essential features, text messaging, voice, and video calls, sending photos, and group chats. You want Get Stories, games, or some interactive features, which actually makes it faster and more efficient. Most people get this wrong by trying to use Messenger Lite for things it doesn't support, like certain integrations or reactions. Remember, this app is designed for speed and efficiency, not extra features. A tip: if you want notifications for new messages, make sure the app has permission in your phone settings for background activity. This way, you won't miss messages even if your phone is in sleep mode. In conclusion, installing Messenger Lite on Android is simple, and it's a great alternative for anyone who wants a fast, lightweight messaging experience without sacrificing core functionality. Subscribe for more mobile tips, app hacks, and ways to make your phone work smarter, not harder.